Nintendo's Switch 2 are rising up globally from September, and the company knows it's bad. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The Switch 2 prices are increasing from $449.99 to $499.99 in the US and €469.99 to €499.99 in most European countries. The console costs £395.99 in the UK, while the new prices will be confirmed later. Nintendo has sincerely apologized for the impact on customers and pinned the reason as changes in market conditions. Nintendo is the latest console maker to announce hardware price rises, after Sony announced a further price increase on its PlayStation 5 console last month. Prices of Nintendo have also changed in Japan and would take effect later this month. A special Japanese language version of the Switch 2 and all versions of the original Switch console are set to increase there from 25th of May. Nintendo also plans to increase subscription prices for its online services in Japan, where players have traditionally paid less than those abroad. The company also revealed it has sold almost 20 million Switch 2 consoles since its release last June and made 424.0 billion yen profit, which makes around $2.7 billion, an increase of 52% over the previous year. There are many contributing factors for these price hikes we see every now and then. The first being, of course, the RAM and storage components prices, and then its huge demands from AI data centers causing a shortage and driven up costs. Other factors includes high tariffs from US President Donald Trump, which Sony has also cited while raising the price of its PlayStation 5 by £90 in the UK and $100 in the US. Prices are affecting everyone. Even video game company Valve pushed back the release date of its PC console hybrid device announced last year. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.